Hi everyone. Let's do the first and very basic lesson on conjunctions today. Let's start. Part 1. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words that join other words, sentences, or sentence parts. Conjunctions join words like this. If you have a pear and you have a mango, you need to join both these words together and tell someone that you have a pear and you also have a mango. Then, what word would you use to join both these words? Pear, mango. He put a pear and a mango in the basket. So, that's the basket. And you have a pear and a mango going into the basket. Conjunctions also join sentences. I'll give you an example. The children were happy. The school bus arrived. How do you join them? The children were happy because the school bus arrived. Or you could also say the children were happy when the school bus arrived. That's the school bus. And those are the children who look so happy. Conjunctions join sentence parts as well. The man is looking at the waves. The man is wondering whether to swim or not. Look at the waves. Don't they look lovely? And that's the man, and he's looking at the waves. Thinking, 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 thinking. So, how would you join those two sentences? The man is looking at the waves and wondering whether to swim or not. Conjunctions join nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. For example, nouns like table, chair, potato, cheese, stick. They also join verbs like eating, walking, running, drinking, swimming. Conjunctions will also join adjectives like slow, lovely, bright, red, soft, and they join adverbs like slowly, hungrily, clearly, fast, softly. How do they join nouns? Let's see. I got a phone and a guitar for my birthday. Phone is a noun, guitar is a noun. That is how conjunctions join nouns. So that's the phone and that's the guitar. They also join two verbs like this. The baby was so happy that he laughed and gurgled. That's the baby. And here you have two verbs, laughed and gurgled. Two words that show action. Words that show action are called verbs. Conjunctions can also join adjectives like this. The ball was blue and smooth. These are words that describe a noun. The noun is ball, and we are describing the ball by saying it was blue and smooth, like this ball in the picture. They also join adverbs like this. He poured the tea slowly and carefully. Slowly is an adverb, carefully is an adverb. Why? What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that defines a verb. For example, this verb, poured. Poured is a word that shows action. It is a verb. And if we want to describe this word a little better, we can use the word slowly and carefully to define poured. Therefore, slowly and carefully are adverbs. So let's see how he poured the tea slowly and carefully. There. Why do we use conjunctions? Conjunctions allow you to form complex and absorbing sentences that are pleasing to the reader. So, if you want to do that, you should use conjunctions. We use conjunctions when we want to give a reason, show a contrast, that means something opposite to something else, show addition, that means you're adding something to something, and show choice, helping you choose. Now, how do we do this? I'll show you examples. Give a reason. How do you give a reason? And what conjunction would you use to give a reason? Any guesses? Let's see if you're right. So look at this picture. She ran because she saw a puppy on the beach. So here you are giving a reason. She ran. Why did she run? The reason? She ran because she saw a puppy on the beach. So it gives a reason, right? It gives a reason. So when you want to give a reason, you should use the conjunction because. It can also be used to show a contrast. How? Look at that picture. He paints slowly but steadily. So, two contradicting things, slow and steady. He paints slowly and he also paints steadily. Hence, you use the word but. So, the word but, the conjunction but, is used when you want to show contrast. It can also be used to show addition, adding two things, like this. He made the rotis and chopped the vegetables. So he's doing both the things. He made the rotis and chopped the vegetables. So when you are showing an addition, you have to use the conjunction and. You can show choice like this. She asked him if he would like some tea or coffee. So when you want to show choice, you use the conjunction or. That will help you to show choice. Two things and you have to choose. That's what we mean by choice. Tea or coffee. In this lesson, we learned what conjunctions are, how conjunctions can be used to join words, sentences, and parts of sentences, and why we use conjunctions. I hope it has been clear to you. Don't forget to watch the next lesson on conjunctions, and until then, take care and cheerio.